So today I will show you the Simple Configurator in version 0.0.5. This is the currently available version in the marketplace. It might be that when you watch the video, a newer version with more features is out, but this video refers to this version. Exactly. What does the extension do? This extension allows you to add a configurator to your website with this front-end block element and these dashboard pages. Here you can define everything, create multiple configurators. We have now installed example content here so that you can directly see how it looks. And I would say let's switch directly to the front end and add the block to see how it all looks in practice. And afterwards we go to the dashboard pages. That means there is the configurator block. There you select the configurator. If you have several, then you can select multiple ones. Otherwise, a success message when everything has been selected. Alternatively, a thank you page. If you want to be GDPR compliant, you can also select a privacy policy page, a terms and conditions page, and make it all mandatory if you want, with an additional CAPTCHA protection. Exactly, save and done. This is how the whole thing looks. Here you can click through with multi-steps. And here you have tooltips, and then you can select everything here and continue. And exactly, fill in all the data you defined earlier. And then at the end, you can enter your personal data. So accept, submit. And at that moment, thank you, everything is saved. And in submissions, we now also see all the data, right? Now we can click on details. There we see what the customer selected, what price they have, what their personal data is. So in the end, it's a price configurator. And the cool thing is it's completely editable, completely expandable. We can now go here and add more fields. For example, let's add age. Now we go back here, reload the page. We see here is a new field named age, right? This way we can edit the last step here. For example, here with the configurators themselves, we can define the individual steps, define the questions. All the information is in there. Exactly. You can add the options, you can specify whether it's an options list, multiple choice. For other questions, it's very important that they refer to a reference value in terms of prices, for example, here in step 1. I'll go back. For example, here, this refers to the size as a reference. If I now want it to refer to the size, I can specify here reference, question 1, and then I can edit the prices accordingly with the grid from question 1, and the prices will be adopted from that. Here I can also define the base prices. It's the same on page 2. Here I can also define prices. Here, custom options have now been set. Exactly. What do we have here? The prices exactly, that's again by reference. Exactly. And this is how you can build a price configurator. Of course, also for different locals, for different sites, as mentioned, multi-site compatible. If you need help, just press the button here. You can write to me anytime. I will then automatically receive a support ticket and will help you. Exactly. Theoretically, it is even possible to link the whole thing with the shop system, with the Bitter's shop system, and then place the generated price as an item in the shopping cart, and then use the order process through the shop system to ultimately engage in e-commerce. So, a super cool thing. Export is also possible. You can download it here as a CSV. Then the whole thing looks like this. Hope all the data is exported. Exactly. That's all about that. Available in the Concrete CMS marketplace, and you can find the link as always below in the video description.